Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the KuCoin application on your iOS device. KuCoin is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and having the app on your iPhone or iPad makes trading easy and convenient. First of all, launch open your App Store on your smartphone. In the search bar, type in KuCoin and search. Look for the KuCoin application in the search result and then tap on the Install or the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Always make sure you are choosing the official KuCoin app developed by KuCoin. Avoid applications with similar names to prevent scams. Wait for the app to download and install, which may take several minutes, depending upon your internet speed. So make sure you also have a strong internet connection so that you can download the app smoother. Once the application is installed, you can open up the application, and then, if you already have an account, you can sign into your existing account. If you're new, you can sign up to create a new KuCoin account. So that's how you can successfully download and install the KuCoin application on your iOS device. Now you can trade, monitor your portfolio, and explore crypto markets right from your iPhone or iPads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.